ASUS Vivobook 15X1504. Unity Systems Solutions. Turn everyday tasks into something special with Vivobook 15, your essential tool for getting things done easier, anywhere. It's completely user-friendly too, with its 180 degrees lay flat hinge and physical webcam shield. ASUS Antimicrobial Guard Plus protects frequently touched surfaces from harmful bacteria, safeguarding your health. Make all your days more enjoyable with Vivobook 15. Processor: Intel Core i5-1335U processor, 1.3 GHz. 12 MB cache, up to 4.6 GHz, 10 cores, 12 threads. Memory: 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. Storage: 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. Graphics: Intel Iris Xe graphics. USB 2.0 Type A. Display: 15.6-inch FHD 1920x1080 16:9 aspect ratio, LED backlit, 60 Hz refresh rate. The wide viewing angles maintain great quality even for off-center viewing, and the TÜV Rheinland Eye Care certification ensures low blue light levels that reduce the risk of eye strain during long viewing sessions. There's an integrated privacy shield that slides over the webcam for instant privacy, shielding you from prying eyes and disturbances. ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, comfortable typing experience. Your comfort is our highest priority. That's why the ASUS ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum key bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Experience the ErgoSense keyboard and you'll soon find yourself cruising effortlessly through your work. Full-sized keyboard 19.05mm. The full-size 19.05mm key pitch is the same as a desktop keyboard, so you can whiz through your work with superb typing comfort and accuracy. Dished key caps, 0.2mm. Long key travel, 1.4mm. There's no need to type in your password every time. All you need is a single touch. Vivobook 15 supports fast charging, which allows you to charge a low battery to 60% in as little as 49 minutes, so you can be up and running quicker than ever. A new perspective on laptop audio designed with help from the audio experts at Dirac, a professional audio solution provider. The audio system delivers the most immersive, clear, and balanced sound experience you've ever heard on a PC, laptop, or tablet. You'll hear a wider and deeper soundscape than you could imagine, unleashing the full audio potential of your laptop.